10th one, here we will see what are different file handling modes. Different file handling modes here. What is file handling mode means? It's basically giving permission. So for read, write, or append a data to a file. Okay. You can also use combine or combination of them. So read it means you can read and write to the file. These are the different modes here. You can check the table here. Text file mode, binary file mode. Binary file mode nothing but if you want to write a data in images, if you want to read data from images or videos, okay, binary file mode. If you want to write a characters or read the characters using text file mode, okay. So R means read mode here, okay. Read mode means you are just reading a data from the file and just printing that file, okay. This file must exist, the file must exist, otherwise Python ASN file not found error. Or W means write mode here, okay. Text file mode. W means it means if file not exists, file is created. If file not exists, file is created. If file exists, Python will truncate exist data and override the file, okay. If file is not there, it creates a new file. If file already exists, it deletes that file and writes new data, okay. Append means file is in write mode only, new data will be added at the end of the existing data, okay. It won't delete the data, okay. Just append the data already to the already existing data. No overwriting takes place in append mode, okay. If you want to update the data, you have to use A mode. If you want to write the data, you have to use W mode. Read the data to read more mode, okay. B means binary here. Binary means if you want to read the text, if you want to read the images, audio, video, okay. So like that, okay. This is a binary mode, okay. B means binary. If the data consists of images, audio, video, you can have to use binary file mode. If data consists of characters, you have to use text file mode. Simple. R plus means file must exist, otherwise error is right. Both reading and writing take place. If you want both read as well as write, okay, you have to use R plus mode. And also RW plus means file is created. If not exist, if exists data will be truncated. Both read and write are all for this one also. A plus means just append the data, okay, read and write both. So we'll see only this read, write, append mode, okay, with examples. So there are some functions and methods are there to read a data from the file. We'll see what are they, okay. Simple. See, this new.txt is there. So some text file here, some data is in new.txt file, some data is there. So I want to read the data and also execute in the terminal, okay. And also I want to read the data and just execute in the terminal, just show in the terminal. That's it. Simple. For that you have to use open function here. Open mode open. See, open. Because so many parameters are there, we have to use two parameters here. File means file name. Which file name you want to read it? I want to read new.txt, okay. New.txt file, first parameter, and second parameter is which mode? Read mode. Just reading the data, okay. Read mode, that's it, okay. So file was created here. We successfully open the file and I want to read the data and have to store in some variable, no. So just take a variable. There is a read method, is a read method. There are so many methods, read or read lines, okay. Read lines method is if you want to convert the data into list, you have to use read line method. Just read method, just read the data and displace it, okay. So we use read method here. F dot means file dot read method and storing this variable and just print it. Print RC and you have to close it, okay. When you open the file, you compulsory have to close it, okay. Close it. Close method is compulsory. Just check the output. That's it. See, the data new.txt here and the data has been displayed successfully here, okay. Python supports. Okay, and not only that, we can use a with statement instead of opening and closing the file. We can use a with statement also, because using the with statement is recommended as it simplifies the code and ensures proper handling of file resources, including closing the file. Okay, so if you use with statement, you don't need to close the file. Okay, automatically it closes the file, and also it's the best practice in Python for working with files and other resources that need to be explicitly closed. Okay, even exception occurs, the file will be closed. Okay, that better you have to use a with statement here. Simple instead of F here, so just use it with simple with open as F. Okay, the syntax here. Okay, as file name. Simple. Just use indentation lines. And no need of close here. Okay, simple. That's it. Simple. Just check the output here. Same. Okay, same output here. If you use with statement, no need to close. No need to close the file. Okay, automatically interpreter closes the file here. Okay, even exception occurs also, it closes the file. That's about the opening the file, reading the file. Now I want to write the file. Just in read mode, okay. Now I want to write the file. I want to write some data to the new.txt or another new file, okay. So for that, just use with statement only with open mode. Write.txt new file here. We will create a new file, okay. And use instead of use W here, okay. W as F only, file name whatever. and use write method here. Okay, see f dot write. Okay, this is write mode. Write some text, whatever. Okay, this is write mode. Okay, we are creating new file and we are writing some data there. This is write mode. Okay, it is write mode, and just use print here. Simple. Just statement. Okay, contents update successfully. Just print that. Okay, contents updated successfully. Simple. Just check the output here. Write mode here. Okay, write dot text. See, this is write mode. Okay, that's about write mode. Simple. Okay, you have to change the write mode here. Okay, and next is append mode. A mode. Append mode means it's appends the data. Some if you want to write some data to this write dot text, you have to use append mode here. Okay, so just use append mode. Just f dot write same method. Append mode. Okay, content subject value appended. Successfully appended. Or whatever. Okay, just check the output now. Content value. Just check write dot text again. See, this is append mode. Okay. See, this is append mode. This is write mode. This is append mode. Successfully, if you want to, write, if you want to update a data, also you have to use this append mode. Okay, read write append mode. This is simple one. Read method and write method is there. So successfully, and you have to use binary method also. Binary method. Okay, binary method. If you want to read the data, binary means read. Binary data stores entire data in the form of bytes. So binary can be used to store text, images, audio, video. Okay, if you want to work with audio and video, you have to use this binary mode. Okay, simple one. Just I will copy this one and I'll show. Simple one. Just check the output now. Control V. So I'm opening this JPG. Okay, this river image is there. River image is there. I'm copying it to the just another file. Okay, copying one image into the another image. F2 equal to open. Read binary. If read the file, write binary. Writes the file. Okay. So bytes source called f1 dot read. Suppose if you film dot bytes here, see how it will print here. Okay, simply check the output. Okay, just byte mode. See byte mode. See the data will be like this one. Okay. So if you want to read the binary data, this data will be like this one. But if you want to copy that binary data to the other file, just you have to use f2 dot write byte. Simple. Close method and this close method. Okay, just check the output now. Simple one, and there's a copy is there. Yeah, copy.jpg. So copy images, copy. Okay. So if you want to copy images from one file to another, you have to write like this one. Just okay, dot read the method and just write the method. Read method and write method. Simple. Read method you have to use from the f1 file, and write method you have to use in the f2 because it's a read binary mode, WB, write binary mode. Okay. That's about the read write binary. So there is another modes also there. Read binary plus R plus W plus A plus. This we see in advanced mode. It's simple. Okay. File handling. How you write the data, read the data, and append the data, and also how to read and write the binary data. Okay.